a holiday party here. Refreshments and Veronica, but I don't see it. I do not see any decorations. I do not know where that party got moved to. No one told me the party was moved or anything. I really thought that they were having a party there tonight. Oh, that's embarrassing. Wow, that's supposed to be a partridge, not a boa. No, yeah. Boa goes on the present. Yeah, I don't know who would make that kind of mistake. Excuse me! Okay, so I found the party. Where was my invite? Why didn't no one tell me this got moved? I would have appreciated knowing. Do you see what they did to my Jeep? They left the lights on. I know. I am never going to get it to turn over. That is just rude of them, yeah. But we are now in the Nile. It's the longest river in the world. It goes on for Nile, and 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 it's very tricky to navigate this time of year. Yeah, the Yule tide's very strong. Alright, here's an African bull elephant. Fun fact about elephants. They have the best memory and all that. Oh, yeah, you get them socks for Christmas one time. They remind you every single year. Every year they just keep reminding me, like, I'm going to forget or something. I'm like, no, I know. I remember I was there about the socks. I have a really great memory. And, oh, look at that. We're at a reindeer farm. Let's take a look outside, folks. Okay, we got a whole wide variety of reindeer here. There's of course, the long neck reindeer. The bearded reindeer. The stripy reindeer. Oh dear, okay, well, looks like one of those stripy reindeer there taking a little bit of a nap. Guarded over by some very, very scary reindeer. I'm kidding, it is not napping. No, it's pretending to nap to avoid talking to extended family. Is what it does, yeah, no, who's heard of the North Pole? Oh, you have? That's the climb as fast as you can pull. Yeah, hey, Mr. Rhino, I don't really drink popcorn. Oh no, I feel it spinning. We're drifting away. Oh no, I'm sorry. We can't help you. No. Welcome back. I don't think they heard me. That's fine. I tried it. It's about that couch, right? Right? Yeah, about that. Okay. Oh no, crocodile country where danger does lurk around every single corner. Oh, that's doubly embarrassing. Okay. Neither of them are danger. That is actually Mr. Frost and Ginger, but be careful around them, okay? Mr. Frost does bite Ginger while she's now. She's a tough cookie. We are now going to pass by something I'm very excited for you to see. I did make a whole bunch of snowmen earlier today, and I'm really excited for you to see how they turned out. I actually put it. Been a warm winter, but I did hear they'll be back again someday. So here at the Jungle Navigation Company, we are proud to now be offering flights. So if you're booking any holiday travel this year, book it with the Jungle Navigation Company, okay? Because here, all of our flights are... Holiday deal, all flights are half off. Great deal, right? That's a late to see. Okay. No. Alright, we are heading on into a hippo pool. I do feel like I should tell you these hippos should actually think about 12 boats. Last week, one a day, it was really, really crazy. But I have been working on a way to scare them off, okay? So I'm going to try something out now. Now, I've only ever tested this on humans, never on hippos. Let's see if it works. Hold on. Okay, they've got the mic, so listen in. Tell me if the jokes are funny or be honest. Take it. Are the jokes funnier? No? Thank you for lying to me. I appreciate that. I needed that. I did. I'm just sharing the feelings I got left. Oh, it's my favorite ship! That's Annette. Hi, Annette. Annette's out here in the jungle trying to catch butterflies, but do you see that? She's doing horrible. She hasn't caught a single one, but that's fine. It's better than me. All I've ever caught out here in the jungle was a cold, so Bertha, we are gifting you with a shower. Not personal, Bertha. It is. It's a little personal. She needed it. Sorry, Bertha. Hey, no, we don't want a shower too. No, thank you. No. Down. Thank you. Fun fact about elephants. They do actually have the best memory in all the jungle. You get a socks for Christmas one time. They remind you every single year, every year. They just keep reminding me, like I'm gonna forget or something. I'm like, no, I know. I remember I was there about the socks, and I have a really great memory. Oh, we are now coming up on our lovely little lost and found / gift shop trader Santa. So if you lost anything today, you'll pick it up here. If you haven't done your holiday shopping yet, you can do it there. Buy your loved one something you know they'll love because they lost it earlier today. Trader Santa is open year round. Look at that baby elephant. That's so cute. Who wants to hear a fun fact about elephants? They can actually grow up to 4 feet. Yeah, I can only grow 2. Yeah. They also have the best memory in all the jungle. Isn't that crazy? Did you know that? You didn't know that? That's like the 3rd time I've said it. I don't know how you didn't know. Someone does not have the memory of an elephant. Now take a look. Oh. Okay. Do you see that? That means they're not allowed to go up to the dock. Now it's a little confusing up there. You're going to see there is actually 2 docks. One on either side of the boat. That's a paradox. Now there will be 2 people in khaki to help you out of the boat once we get up there. That is a lot less confusing. That is simply a paradork. You can tell them I said that. They know. And governmental there does not actually know, but they are going to the volcano. They have been sacrificed. Let's see if they know.